Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can add money to your Amazon Pay wallet or account using Amazon shopping mobile app. So let's get started. Open your Amazon mobile app and you can see on the left top a menu option with three horizontal lines. Click on that and you can see various menu options appear. In that you have to select an option called Amazon Pay, which I have highlighted. After clicking on that, you would see your Amazon Pay balance, your money, what is the gifts and credits, and other options like that. So to add money, you have to select an option, add money, which I've highlighted. Click on that. After clicking on that, you have to enter how much balance you want to add. You can see that the maximum limit is 10,000 per month, and like you can add how much amount you want. So I want to add 750 rupees. So I'll add it. I'll click on continue to add. So now after clicking continue, you can see I have to enter through which bank account I wish to add. I have to enter. So I'll select my payment bank, and it's like I have already one second, I'll just go back. So this is my preferred payment method. So here I have to enter the CVV and proceed. CVV will not be stored, but all the other details will be stored for your card. If you don't have any saved card, then you can scroll down and you can see an option like credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, and CO and others as well. So as this is Amazon Pay recharge balance, you don't have COD, and EMI is also not available. You can select any option like credit card, debit card, net banking, and UPI, and recharge your Amazon Pay. So now I'll go through my debit card, enter my CVV, and proceed. So now after entering CVV, it is asking me for an OTP to confirm my bank account. Yeah, it worked. So now the OTP is done. You can see the funds will be automatically added to your Amazon Pay balance typically within 15 minutes of completing order. Mostly in a span of 2 to 3 minutes it will get added. So below is the payment information which you have selected, and this is the amount you wish to add, and you can even modify amount by clicking on modify amount, and you can confirm by clicking add money to balance. The amount gets deducted from your bank account and added to your Amazon Pay wallet. So this way you can add money to your Amazon Pay wallet using Amazon mobile Android app. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries related to Amazon or Amazon Pay, let me know through the comment section, or even if any other tech related queries, let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never